Alright guys, welcome back. This is Willibeatit and I'm here with another tutorial. Today is going to be a how to play with the controller on Wild Rift tutorial. This also works with keyboard and mouse, but you know what, let's just get right into it. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use an Xbox One controller wirelessly. Yeah, let's just go right into it. This is Octopus, guys. You're going to want to install this in your Google Play Store. This is only for Android, so if you're on iOS, I'm really sorry. As you can see, guys, I have my Xbox wireless controller already hooked up, ready to go. All I'm going to do at this point is launch Wild Rift through this app. So because I already have Wild Rift launched, it's going to launch like that. I'm going to show you guys, if you click this little blue guy in the top hand corner, you can see all of my buttons here. I've got my joysticks, I got my skill. So if you look at here, you have what's called a smart cast. Those are what you put over your skills, your 4 skills. Okay, those are what are able to aim your skills with your controller. The other buttons, you're just going to want to put keys. I'm going to show you how it works in game here. I'm going to go into a training match. Okay. We're going to pick Ezreal because he has some skill shots to aim. Again, guys, this costs about $1, maybe $2 max. So it's very easy, it's super affordable. If you're wanting to practice controller before it actually releases for console, this is the perfect way. Keep in mind, I have no idea if you will get banned for using this. I haven't played Wild Rift with a controller yet. I just know how to use a controller because I played Arena of Valor for a long time with a controller. But essentially, guys, I've got my controller hooked up. You can see I'm doing circles. See, if I delete my joystick, I can't move. But if I re-add my left joystick, it's right down here. You bugger. Okay. If I re-add my left joystick, there we go. I'll give myself a few levels.
Who needs a map?
So I got my levels here. I'm gonna level up.
I'll make this look easy.
So yeah, you can aim your skill shots.
I'm at my best when the world's on the brink of annihilation.
Yeah, it's super easy, guys. It's really like takes you 5 minutes to set it up. You know, it's going to be a little bit of playing around with what controls you want on which button. But overall, I'll show you here.
Sounds dangerous. I'm in.
So you can see it. There you go, you can see it a little bit. The only button I haven't figured out is the ward button because there's a little bit too many buttons. If you have like a scuff controller or something, I think that would work the best. Because you have the extra 2, but yeah. There's my ult.
Let's clear a path.
Yeah, I like playing without the button showing. Because I know what my buttons are.
I'm at my best when the world's on the brink of annihilation. Oh God, I dare you.
Yeah, this is your 4 to 5 minute guide on how to use a controller. I want to keep it nice and simple. I explained everything. All you're going to want to do is if you're adding like a skill shot or something, you just simply drag down the button
I'm not even breaking a sweat.
like this. Click inside it and then cast. You can like cast like L1 plus right analog stick if you're going to want to aim stuff, etc. How you're going to want to aim it. It's all up to you, right?
When you've got talent,
I'm just here to show you how to do it, and yeah. If you guys are going to want a video on how to get better ping in game, let me know. Right now it just shows that I have red bar just because I'm in the tutorial mode or whatever, but yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this helps you guys try out a controller. Take care, and thank you for subscribing.